And obviously, because this concerns a so-called self-appointed God-man, politics has obviously broken out. Because remember, across India, viewer, God-men, and I hate calling them God-men because it is such a, it is such an inaccurate phrase for those who have faith especially. But politics has clearly broken out already amidst this deadly tragedy. We always see it. Images of Samajwadi Party chief and former chief minister of UP, Akhilesh Yadav, attending Bhole Baba's satsang are now viral on social media. He visited this Baba's gathering not very long ago in 2023. He put out tweets in full praise of Bhole Baba. Not saying that says anything, but these linkages are there to see. The nexus between politicians and godmen is always there to see. While speaking on this issue, Akhilesh blamed the UP government for the tragedy. And let's be sure about one thing. The onus for what happened in Hathras is on the Yogi government. They need to answer. Heads need to roll in the administration. The politics can continue, but they cannot be ignored. On the other hand, Chief Minister Yogi pointed to Akhilesh Yadav's direct connection with the Baba and questioned his stance on the tragedy. Remember, Akhilesh hasn't said very much. He's been quite tight-lipped, quite circumspect about the tragedy. While ordering a judicial inquiry into the matter, Yogi Adityanath stated that the government will get to the bottom of the matter and will reveal whether the incident was an accident or a conspiracy.
देखिए, कुछ लोगों की एक प्रवृत्ति होती है कि इस प्रकार के दुखद और दर्दनाक घटनाओं में भी वे राजनीति ढूंढते हैं। और ऐसे लोगों की ये फितरत है कि चोरी भी और सीना चोरी भी। यह हर व्यक्ति जानता है कि सज्जन के फोटो किसके साथ में है, उनके राजनीतिक संबंध किन के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। तो स्वाभाविक रूप से आप लोगों ने इस बात को देखा होगा कि पिछले दिनों रैलियों के दौरान इस प्रकार की भगदड़ कहां मस्ती थी और कौन इसके पीछे थे। और मुझे लगता है उसके तह में जाना आवश्यक है। जो लोग निर्दोष लोगों के जीवन के साथ खिलवाड़ करते हैं और उनकी जवाबदेही भी इसके साथ तय होगी।
जो हादसा हुआ है, पूरी सरकार की लापरवाही है, प्रशासन की लापरवाही है। और ऐसा नहीं है कि उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार और प्रशासन के लोग न जानते हों ये बातें, कि जब कभी भी इस तरह के कार्यक्रम होते हैं, बड़ी संख्या में लोग आकर के शामिल होते हैं। जो जानकारी सरकार के पास थी, उसके बावजूद भी सरकार को जो इंतजाम करना चाहिए था, वो इंतजाम नहीं किया है। इस लापरवाही की वजह से जो जाने गई हैं, उसकी जिम्मेदार सरकार है।
I want to bring Shreya in for a quick update on this. You know, Shreya, these godmen and spiritual gurus, we've always seen that the nexus with politicians, is something that is a reality always. Because the symbiosis is there to see, the mutual interest is there to see, because both sides command a huge number of voters. They are always influential, and therefore politicians and godmen usually become friends. Now it's become interesting because Yogi Adityanath has pointed at Akhilesh and said that there's a direct link with Akhilesh. Are you getting any sense of the kind of political protection that this Bhole Baba enjoyed in Uttar Pradesh?
Well, Shiv, this is again a question that I had raised during the press conference, to which Yogi Adityanath pushed the ball in Akhilesh Yadav's court, suggesting that the kind of photos that are doing on the round very clearly point out that whose closeness or whose immunity this man enjoyed. And if you also understand the area where he is mostly famous, which is the Etah, Hathras, Mainpuri belt, it is very easy to understand that it is also one of the bastions of the Samajwadi Party. Given the statement that is coming in from Yogi Adityanath, it's only obvious that politics will continue to erupt on the matter, and it is nothing new. And people do know, as you rightly pointed it out, that godmen and politicians continue to collude to, just share their vote bank, because that's the way they continue to exist, and these godmen continue to fill their pockets with blanket immunity.
Final question, Shreya. It's been 24 hours, like you rightly pointed out, and not a single arrest has taken place so far. Are we expecting some detention, some arrest to happen anytime soon?
I'm hoping, Shiv, that some arrest will happen now that the administration is done with VIP movements and the entire photo op of people visiting different locations. We hope now that heads will roll and arrests will happen, because I myself visited the location where some of the committee members live. I spoke with some of them. They suggest that the police hasn't yet reached out to them, despite the FIR clearly mentioning that it is the committee members' responsibility, and one Dev Prakash who's been very significantly mentioned. So we only hope that with today, after the CM's visit, the heads will roll, and tomorrow we will see some arrest in this particular case.
Okay, thanks very much, Shreya, for getting us those inputs. Shreya will continue with her team to report from the ground in Hathras. This is our #1 story on India Today. 121 people have been lost, mostly women and children. And this guy in a three-piece white suit and sports shoes and a multicolored tie is nowhere to be found. Remember those pictures, and we will update you every single hour on the Hathras story.